So apparently, we've reached the point where I built an app no longer means late nights, Stack Overflow rage, or crying softly into a laptop fan at 3 a.m. It now means you typed a sentence and the app just appeared. That's the pitch behind Lovable.dev, an AI-powered app builder that promises you can go from idea to working software in minutes with zero coding. Not low code, not drag and drop struggle simulator, just vibes, prompts, and suddenly you're a startup founder with confidence issues and a deployed product. And honestly, I went in expecting another overhyped AI builds apps demo that collapses the moment you ask it for anything beyond a to-do list. But this one is different in a slightly unsettling way. You describe an app in plain English like a habit tracker with streaks, login, and a dashboard, and it generates a full-stack project with UI, back-end logic, database setup, and deployment hooks. It's basically if a junior developer, a designer, and a DevOps engineer were all compressed into a prompt box and told to behave. The wild part is speed. What normally takes hours of setup, boilerplate, and dependency errors just shows up. One moment you're thinking about your app idea, the next moment you're debugging something that technically you didn't even know you had. And yes, it feels magical, for about 7 minutes. Then reality slowly walks in holding a cup of coffee like, so who's maintaining this thing? Because while Lovable.dev can generate surprisingly solid starter apps, the deeper you go, the more you realize it's still AI scaffolding on top of real engineering problems. Custom logic, edge cases, scaling, security, those don't vanish just because you used a nice prompt. They just wait for you quietly like unpaid bills. Some early users love it for prototyping. Founders are using it to spin up MVPs ridiculously fast, testing ideas without burning weeks on setup. Others point out that once you leave demo land, you still need actual development skills to avoid your app turning into a very expensive hallucination. And that's the real vibe here. Lovable.dev doesn't replace developers. It replaces the blank page. It removes the boring 80% where nothing works yet and you're just configuring tools that hate you. So what's the verdict? If coding is building a house, Lovable.dev is like instantly getting walls, plumbing, and lights installed. But the moment you ask for a second floor, the AI politely looks at you and says, "Become an engineer." It's fast, impressive, and a little bit dangerous in the way anything is when it makes complex work feel too easy. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.